Welcome back, y'all. Today we outside. In today's video, we're going to be talking about learning to believe in yourself while fixing an exhaust leak. Let's do it. So as you see, like I said, today we're going to be learning how to trust and believe in ourselves, and we're going to fix an exhaust leak. For you people who are not mechanically inclined, an exhaust leak is, to simplify it, is you have exhaust gases leaking out of your exhaust system. That's no bueno. If those gases aren't being properly released out of your engine, then what can happen is it could actually lock up your engine. Those gases can get stuck in the combustion chamber, which won't cause correct combustions, which could lock up your whole engine. So a potential $100 fix can turn into a whole $5,000 fix. And we all know in today's economy, that's not what we want, right? So why do we need to believe in ourselves? Because when it comes to things like being on your own and doing things out of the ordinary, or just simply just going out there and being yourself, believing in yourself is a big part, right? I wasn't always a great mechanic, and I still got a lot to learn. But what I do know is, hey, I know how to be resourceful. So what I got here is a shop vac, some duct tape, a hose, and some soapy water. Shout out to YouTube University, you know what I'm saying? And so how I did this is I simply ran the shop vac through the tailpipe, right? Let me show y'all. This is your tailpipe. This is where the exhaust gases come out, right? Right there. This is where the exhaust gas should be properly ventilated once it passes through your catalytic converter, right? That catalytic converter neutralizes all the bad gases and then sends it right back out there, right? So once I put the hose in the tailpipe, I taped it up so that no air can seep through. When I first realized was air was already coming through the back of here, as you can see right here, right? And how you can tell if you have an exhaust leak, right? If you get up there and look up under yourself, there'll be black residue on the part it's leaking from, right? Or you should be able to see that in some parts, right? But if you can't, the soapy water method is a great method. Why? Because those gases or that air seeping out is telling you, and it's creating bubbles, it's telling you, hey, there's a leak right here. This is not properly tightened down, or something's bad, right? So that's the whole point of believing in yourself. Getting out there and doing it, making sure you let yourself know you are enough. My name's JD. Thanks for coming along with me on this journey of fixing the exhaust leak and believing in yourself. See you guys in the next one.